Hello friends, welcome to our Sudoku channel. On this channel, we will learn and teach things related to the Sudoku game. And today, we are going to talk about some vocabulary related to the Sudoku game. By the end of this video, you will understand all these terms. Understanding these terms is necessary because whenever you learn a new Sudoku technique on YouTube, these same terms are used again and again. So let's start the video. First, we will understand cell. This is a very commonly used term. On this puzzle board, the smallest square is called a cell. We have 81 cells like this. At the start of a puzzle, some cells are filled and some are empty. And the puzzle is solved only when all the cells are filled with the correct numbers, like this solution of the puzzle. The way all these numbers are filled follows the rules of Sudoku. Next word is block. A block is a group of these 9 cells. We have 9 blocks like these. Next word is row. In Sudoku, a row is a group of these 9 cells. A Sudoku puzzle has 9 rows like these. Next word is column. A column is a group of these 9 vertical cells. There are also 9 columns in Sudoku. Now, before continuing, I have an exciting announcement that if you are looking for an app that will provide you unlimited hints with easy explanation while solving your puzzles without any ads, then you can check out my own Sudoku app. The link is provided in the video and channel description. Now, let's continue. So, the next word is knots or candidates. There are the small numbers we write in the cells to remember which numbers can possibly go in a cell. And from all these numbers, only one number will finally be placed in this cell. An example is in front of you. Next word is band. Band is a very rarely used term in Sudoku, but still let's understand it. A group of 3 blocks that are in one row or in one column is called a band. Let's see an example. These 3 are in the same row, so this is called a band, and there are 3 bands like this. Similarly, there are also 3 bands in Sudoku that are formed in columns like these. Next word is house. A house is any group of 9 cells where all the numbers from 1 to 9 must be placed exactly once. For example, any block, any row, or any column can also be called a house because, according to Sudoku rules, all numbers from 1 to 9 must be placed exactly once in each of them. Now, the last thing we will discuss is cell coordinates. Each row and column is given a label. For example, the row are named from A, B, C, D up to I. And similarly, the columns are named from 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So, to call a cell with its coordinates, we first say its row letter and then its column number. For example, this is cell C4. It is in row C and the 4th column. Let's see another example. This would be cell E5. If you didn't understand any word, you can watch the video again. To see more videos like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions, please do tell me in the comments. We will meet again in the next video.